Think you've had the best roast chicken? Think again. Let's get to cooking this delicious recipe. Take 2 chicken pieces and cut them with a knife. Add some vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add crushed ginger to it. Marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Mix it well. Dust this mixture on the chicken pieces. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil on the chicken. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Add some oil to the pan. Put the marinated chicken in the pan and cover it. Fry the chicken until it turns a brownish golden shade. Check the chicken after 10 minutes to see if it's well marinated. Add half a cup of water and cover the pan. When chicken is marinated and completed, then off the flame and put small piece of aluminium foil paper in pan, and then put coal on the aluminium foil paper, then put some oil on coal. Then cover the pan for fragrance. On other hand, we make rice for delicious combination. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in the wok. Add 1 small onion to the wok. When the onions are turning brown, add raisins into the wok. Add ginger and garlic. Add 1½ glasses of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and adjust for your taste. 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Add 1 cup of rice and cover the wok. Add 2 green chilies. Once the rice is almost done, cook it on low flame. Once the rice and chicken roast are done, serve your chicken roast. 1 bite and you're hooked. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen magic. See you next time.